Hi, this is Kent with the Effective Church Group. Thanks for joining me for this week's church tip. Today, we're diving into 4 key strategies to grow your church. These strategies are essential for sustainable church growth. Invite, connect, disciple, and send. Let's get started. The first strategy is invite. Getting people through the door is the initial step. Here are some key ways to do that. Your worship service is at the front door of your church. Ensure it's inspiring, relevant, and invite-worthy. It's about creating an experience that makes people want to come back. Events like fish fries, bazaars, and car shows can invite people into your church's presence. Focus on creating free events that build relationships rather than transactions. As a pastor, you're the public face of the congregation. Spend significant time networking in the community, attend local events, and encourage your members to do the same. It's all about building relationships. Focus on word of mouth and savvy online marketing. Ensure your website and social media are updated and engaging. Encourage your congregation to share church events on their social media pages. The second strategy is connect. Turning visitors into returning guests is crucial. Ensure your ministries and programs are relevant to the people you're trying to reach. This makes visitors feel at home. First impressions matter. Ensure visitors can easily find parking, restrooms, and seats. Clean facilities and friendly greeters make a big difference. Timely follow-up is crucial. Develop a follow-up system that includes doorstep visits, handwritten notes, emails, phone calls, and texts. Show visitors that you care about their experience. Pair new visitors with a member who can help them navigate their spiritual journey and build a meaningful relationship. This personal connection can make all the difference. The third strategy is disciple. Making faithful followers of Jesus is at the heart of church growth. Offer short-term, topical classes that impart specific knowledge. These classes help participants grow in their faith. Small groups are essential for deeper connection and discipleship. They focus on shared life experiences and mutual support. Pair new believers with seasoned Christians who can guide them through their spiritual journey. This one-on-one relationship fosters growth and accountability. Develop systems that encourage members to ask tough questions about their faith practices and share their experiences. This builds a supportive community focused on spiritual growth. The fourth strategy is send. Equipping disciples to make more disciples is how your church will grow and sustain its growth over time. Encourage your members to share their faith and make more disciples. This is the essence of sending them back into the world as neighborhood missionaries. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this content helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips on growing your church. Until next week, keep on transforming.